Turn your sloppy microwave edits to AI-like microwave edits by simply using two simple methods, because a lot of people almost done their microwave correctly, but at last they completely messed up the edit. I will show you how to do microwave correctly, and I will show which graphs to use, and also I will show you which graph we should use. So without wasting time, let's begin.
I'm trying to find some peace to navigate the oak tree where I met you, and the writing on the statue. I still remember every word you said. I'm not a soldier, but I'm fighting. Can you hear me through the silence? I won't give up, 'cause there will be a day we'll meet again. Gold. The path we chose, the future on our side. Never thought I'd do this on my own, but now I wield the sword you left behind. The oak tree where I met you, and the writing on the statue. I still remember every word you said. I'm not a soldier, but I'm fighting. For the traveling star, strong from the inside, you're still my love.